Hi, I'm Eric Grant with Sailrite. In this tips and trick video, we're going to show you a process where you no longer have to hold the trailing threads when you start sewing. And this works for all sewing machines. Let's show you. So when you first start sewing, typically you hold the trailing threads, and it's a good idea to do that to prevent rat's nests on the bottom side. But if you don't want to hold trailing threads and you don't want the thread to pull through the eye of the needle, all you need to do is look up here at the take-up arm. If you roll the balance wheel down and towards you, have the take-up arm go all the way to the top, up here at the top of its travel before coming down, so right there. Now, at that position, the threads do not any longer have to be held. So I can put my fabric assembly in here, I can lower my presser foot, and then I can sew, and I'll do my normal reversing. And notice I didn't have to hold the trailing threads. I'd sew my distance, do my reversing, and then when I'm done sewing, I would grab the balance wheel, rotate it down and towards me, looking at the take-up arm, have it go to the top of its travel, and then I'd lift my presser foot, and then I'd pull my fabric assembly out, like so, and then I'd cut my trailing threads, 1, 2, and now since my take-up arm is at the top again, I could just start my stitching all over again, repeating the process, reversing, going to the end, reversing again, and then, oh, my take-up arm's already at the top, so I can just pull my assembly out again and repeat the process.